Meta just dropped LLaMA 4, but this isn't just another AI model. We're talking longer context, new architectures, and a sneak peek at something even bigger. LLaMA 4 Behemoth. Let's unpack it all. LLaMA 4 introduces 3 models, each with a distinct target use case. LLaMA 4 Scout. Think of this as the nimble one, designed to run efficiently on a single H100 GPU. Supports 10 million tokens of context. Benchmarks show it outperforming Gemma 3 and Mistral 3.1 on efficiency tasks. LLaMA 4 Maverick. The general-purpose high-performance model. Competes with GPT-4 and Claude 3 Sonnet on reasoning and coding. More scalable and efficient thanks to smart routing. LLaMA 4 Behemoth. Still in training, but early leaks are wild. 2 trillion parameters total, with 288 billion active per inference. This is MOE at serious scale. Expected to outperform GPT 4.5 and Claude 3.5 Sonnet on STEM and reasoning tasks. We might see it announced at LLaMAcon, Meta's upcoming event on April 29th. All 3 models lean into a mixture of experts, MOE, architecture. So what's the big deal? Rather than activating all parameters every time, the model selectively routes tasks to just a few expert subnetworks. In LLaMA 4, 8 out of 64 experts are active per forward pass, so you get the intelligence of a massive model with the cost of a smaller one. Meta isn't alone here. Google's Gemini, DeepMind's Gopher MOE, and Mosaic's MPT MOE have all explored this. But so far, none have struck the right balance of open release, scaling, and efficiency like Meta. Yes, MOE models can be harder to train. Routing instability, load balancing, and expert dropout are all real issues. But Meta's release proves, if you get it right, MOE is no longer an experiment, it's production ready. LLaMA 4 Scout supports 10 million tokens of context. That's not a typo. That's enough to process an entire legal corpus, a huge multi-repo code base, or months of chat history. Compare that to Claude 3 Opus at 200K, GPT-4 Turbo at 128K. Scout is in another league entirely, though the performance at full stretch is still being explored. Sample use case. Summarize a 5-year email thread, preserving references to legal or compliance issues. Only a 10M context model can handle that natively. Now here's the kicker. Meta released both the models and weights. That's massive. Researchers can fine-tune, audit, and deploy. Startups can innovate without paying per token pricing. Enterprises can customize on-prem or cloud. But there's a restriction. If your service has over 700 million MAUs, you need explicit permission. So it's not fully open like Mistral, but it's far more accessible than anything from OpenAI or Anthropic. Here's what to expect next. Fine-tunes and adapters across healthcare, finance, code, and law. Tool-using agents using LLaMA 4 for retrieval augmented generation, RAG, and action. Quantized versions running on consumer GPUs or even laptops. Behemoth benchmarks. Expect comparisons with GPT-4o, Claude 3.5, and Gemini 1.5 Pro. Massive growth in open tooling. Think VLLM, Colossal AI, LLM Index, and LangChain all adapting fast. LLaMA 4 isn't just a release, it's a signal. Openish, scalable and wildly capable. It shows that the frontier of AI is no longer locked behind APIs. Like, subscribe, and tell us, what are you building with LLaMA 4?